Hi, this is Ryan from Marine Parts Source. As you can see in front of me, I've got several products here from Brite. These are the types of products that you can use to make your boat look clean, looking sharp, and ready for the boating season. So we'll get started by looking at Brite's phosphate-free Seasafe boat wash. This stuff does a great job for just a basic cleaning of the boat. You can use it on the hull, the deck, on fittings and chrome all around the boat. This stuff is concentrated, so you're only going to need a few capfuls, and then that should be enough to clean a 20-foot boat. It's non-streaking, so it's not going to leave any residue behind, and it's not going to hurt the wax or the polish that's already on the surface of the boat. It's not going to leave any streaks, no residue. It's also biodegradable, so it's not going to leave any harmful chemicals behind. One type of surface on boats that can be particularly tricky to get clean are those non-skid surfaces where there's some sort of texture or tread where dirt and grime can get trapped in there, and then it's really difficult to get it out. Well, Brite's non-skid deck cleaner is the perfect solution for those applications. Much like the boat wash, the non-skid deck cleaner is safe to use with no harsh chemicals. It's going to leave a protective coating that helps to repel dirt and stains. You're not going to have to do a lot of hard scrubbing or rubbing to make it work. And it's a really effective cleaner for surfaces like fiberglass, vinyl, plastic, metal, and painted surfaces. There are a lot of different hull and bottom cleaners out on the market, and even Brite makes 2 or 3 different versions. But if you absolutely need the heaviest duty chemical to get the job done right, the Easy On, Easy Off bottom cleaner is the product for you. The Easy On, Easy Off hull and bottom cleaner is great for cleaning boat bottoms, removing all those marine deposits, whisking away the scum line, and getting rid of rust stains that accumulate on the bottom of the boat. It's water-based, unlike a lot of different hull cleaners on the market that are acid-based, so it's a lot safer and more environmentally friendly, and it's safe for use on fiberglass, wood, and painted surfaces. Now, when the cleaning job isn't as involved and doesn't require as heavy duty of chemical to make it work, the Brite Premium Cleaner Wax is a great solution. The Premium Cleaner Wax is going to clean and shine and protect all in one step. It's really quick and easy to use, and it's going to remove the oxidation and chalk that accumulates on the side of the boat while leaving a durable coat with special polymers. It's specially formulated for fiberglass, metals, and painted surfaces, and it even leaves behind a UV inhibitor that's going to prevent fading and oxidation in the future. Now, if you have a new boat or you've just finished a cleaning project on your boat and you want to protect that finish, then it's time to pick up Brite's Marine Polish. Brite's Premium Marine Polish is the ultimate protection for fiberglass, metal, and painted surfaces. It contains a UV inhibitor to help stop fading and oxidation in the future, and it leaves a really smooth, non-stick special coating which is going to reduce the drag of the boat and repels dirt and grime, oil, and stains. Sometimes water runoff is going to leave behind those nasty black streaks on your boat, and those can be particularly hard to get off with a regular cleaner. So Brite has this black streak remover, which is perfect for the job. Brite's Instant Black Streak Remover is going to quickly remove those black streaks, and it's safe for use on fiberglass, metal, and painted surfaces. It can also be used in other tough cleaning jobs such as bathrooms, tubs, and showers, and it's not going to affect the wax or polish that's already on the surface. One of the more common blemishes that you'll find on boat seats and vinyl are mildew stains. Brite has created this mildew stain remover to take care of those problem areas. The mildew stain remover from Brite is going to remove mildew stains on contact. It's a simple spray-on application, and you can use it on headliners, vinyl covers, seat cushions, and so on. It gets amazing results in just minutes, and it's not going to weaken the fabric or the thread in the long term. Speaking of vinyl, it's amazing how quickly that constant exposure to the sun can cause it to fade or crack, and even when it gets dirty and has grime, it's really difficult to clean. That's why Brite has this vinyl cleaner and polish to not only clean away all the stains, but to protect it for the future. The vinyl cleaner and polish is a revolutionary formula that restores vinyl unlike any other vinyl polish or protectant that's on the market. It's formulated to deep clean the vinyl and remove embedded grime. It also leaves behind a barrier that protects against UV rays and dirt. It leaves a long-lasting waterproof protective coating, and it keeps the vinyl soft and supple, preventing drying out and cracking. One of the things we've found to be really popular over the years is Brite's waterproofing, which is the perfect way to protect surfaces like leather, canvas, nylon, even sunbrella fabrics. Brite's waterproofing is safe for all manner of fabrics, including boat covers, bimini tops, sail covers, even your clothing or a tent. And it's not going to change the color or the feel of the fabric. You'll just want to make sure that you've properly cleaned the fabric first before you waterproof it. Once you do, it should last all summer long. You can pick up any of these products as well as anything else that Brite makes from Marine Parts Source online at marinepartssource.com or giving us a call at 866-388-0390.